To customize clock on the lock screen in the Samsung Galaxy A57, just open the settings. Now we have to go into the home screen settings, into the wallpaper and the style settings, select the lock screen, and now click on the clock. And what we can do, first of all, we can change its size. We can make it bigger or smaller. You can also change its font, but you have to remember that the font style is not available for every clock style. So if I'm gonna go, for example, with this one, I cannot do this. But if I'm gonna pick this one, I can easily change its font style. But as you can see, for this font style, I cannot actually change the boldness. But for this one, I can. I can also change its color. I can even get this multicolor. And that's pretty much it. You can also show some additional information on the lock screen clock. And you can also change its position. You will have to click down in the right upper corner to apply this.